So let's say I came to your website, for example, and I'm looking to rent an Airbnb property. So I go into your chatbot and then I say hi. The chatbot will say, hello, I'm here to assist you in finding the perfect Airbnb in San Francisco. Would you like to get a list of properties or describe what you need? I would like to get a list of properties. So here we have the list of properties, and I can actually ask any kind of question. So for example, I need 2 beds and I have $100 budget. And then the AI is going to go through our offers and say, based on the information provided in the context, you can consider the following option for your stay. Beds 2, cost $100 a night. Now I'm gonna show you how I built it in like 5 minutes. So to start, I pulled a node from here and then I created a standard node. I clicked add card and added this text field. I'm here to assist you in finding perfect Airbnb in San Francisco. This is the first message that's gonna be sent. And then I added this single choice. So single choice has a question. Would you like to get a list of properties or describe what you need? So I gave them 2 choices, list of properties and ask a question. You can add choices by clicking this plus button here. We actually don't need this. If they want a list of properties, it's gonna go down. I'm just gonna send a message with all of the properties here. And then after that, we are going to set a transition. Condition will be true, so it will always transition. We're gonna transition into this node that is for asking questions. So this node is going to let user ask a question and it's gonna look at our database of our offers and answer the question. We will also transition to this node if the user chooses to ask a question in the beginning here. So in this node, it's important to click on it and say enable knowledge answering. We have a raw input field here. The label is feel free to ask any question. And then this will automatically answer this question with our knowledge in our database. I will show you how to make the database, but for now, just know that it will automatically answer any question user has. And after that, we're gonna put this transition, condition to true. We're gonna transition back into the same to this ask question node. And to show you our knowledge base, we're gonna go ahead and add new knowledge base, and then we're gonna go into the new knowledge base and we're gonna say, for example, description offers, and we are going to add a new knowledge base source, which will be this plain text. And we're gonna paste this that I will leave in the description. This is the list of mock offers, example offers that you could have. You could have any kind of information. The format doesn't matter, what fields you have, what information, it doesn't matter. And then what's important is to go here to agents and have this knowledge agent, have it enabled. That's it, we built a bot. Now you can press publish and share your chatbot and that's it. Now this is the most simple bot. I'm actually looking to see what kind of bots people want to learn to make. So I'm actually looking to make like 20-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour videos for complex bots. But right now I'm making only these simple bots to figure out what kind of bots people want to see. And then I'm gonna make like long advanced videos how to make like full-fledged big bots in like 2 hours, 3 hours maybe. So tell me what you want to see in the description below, what kind of bots, what kind of videos. Also give me any feedback on the video, how to improve it, explain better what to do. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.